Week 3 of class included more learning about electricity. Atomic structures were studied in order to understand what makes a good conductor and what makes a good insulator. We experimented with circuits and even electrically charged tape. We demonstrated our knowledge of circuits through online quizzes. Our coil gun project was introduced to us, and we were taught how to use a soldering iron. In this week's class, we tested our circuit with a compass to see if electricity flowed in one direction. Straws of a different length and width were tested in order to demonstrate the concept of resistance. Different light bulbs were tested in a circuit so we could actually see how resistance works. An experiment was done with electrically charged tape to see how it interacts with other charged tape as well as other objects. We were given time in class to begin construction of our disposable camera coil guns. Metals like copper, silver, and gold are good conductors of electricity because of the single electron in the outer shell of their atomic structure. The outer electron is easy to remove and replace, allowing for the easy flow of electricity. Objects such as plastics are good insulators because their molecular structures are very stable. I learned that a circuit command is given at the speed of light, although the electrons themselves do not move at that speed. Resistance is equal to the length of a wire divided by its area. Calculating the resistance is done differently for a circuit in series as opposed to a circuit in parallel. The voltage in a circuit is the push, whereas the current is the amount of stuff that is being pushed. I would still like to know how my newfound knowledge of electricity will help me build a disposable camera coil gun. What can I do to make my coil gun powerful? How does a capacitor in a circuit work? What other components are there in a circuit, and what should I know about them? I would like to know how this knowledge will be useful to me in the future. This week was all about electricity. The knowledge I have gained will help me construct a disposable camera coil gun. Learning took place through experimentation and quizzes. Detailed studying, such as observing the atomic structure of a conductor versus an insulator, has helped us further understand electricity. Although I have already learned a lot about electricity, I feel there is more I still need to learn.